So let's talk about the Taskin Caramel Cascade from the Paris Corner. So this perfume, guys, it has the milky, vanilla, sweet and honey type of scent. At kung iniisip nyo kung amoy sibuyas o amoy arabo, hindi po ganun. Hindi porket sinabi na Middle Eastern perfume, yun na yung amoy na kaagad na pumapasok or nagsisinkin sa ating mga Pilipino. So this one, it has a very fresh and very caramelic, vanillic and milky type of scent, no? At talagang ang tagal ko ding inintay nito bago ako magkaroon nito. Talagang pinag-ipunan ko muna bago ako makakuha nito. As you can see, makikita nyo napakaganda ng presentation nito ni Caramel Cascade. Dahil box pa lang ay napaka-elegant na. It's like a marble with a touch of gold, no? At sa kanyang back, it has the authenticity sticker and then the QR code to make sure na legit yung nakuha nyo. And guys, take note, be careful sa pagbili ng inyong mga perfume dahil napasok na ng mga imitation or yung mga nagpapakilala na premium copy sila ng mga Middle Eastern perfumes, but there's no premium copy or tester from the UAE. That's a fake, no? It's a totally fake. That is not a good type of scent at hindi yun magpo-provide sa inyo or hindi siya magpo-produce ng magandang performance when it comes sa mga imitations or mga premium copy na sinasabi nila. And thank you so much kay Unboxing Diaries Fragrances. Kung matunog sa inyo yung Unboxing Diaries, yes, hindi kayo nagkakamali. Siya po yung wife ni Sir Vince Domingo, ang Unboxing Diaries, no? Talagang na-sure ko na legit yung nakuha ko sa kanila since talagang kilala sila. So kung may hanap kayo about sa mga UAE or sa mga Middle Eastern perfumes and other niche or designer fragrances, there's a lot more sa kanilang live during night. So eto na yata yung may pinakamahaba nating review. So eto, titignan na natin yung laman ni Caramel Cascade, no? So eto yung kanyang laman sa loob, no? Eto yung Caramel Cascade from the Paris Corner. So ayan, pawis ang kamay. Punasan natin. Pawis ang kamay ni Iman. So eto guys, yung laman niya, napakaganda ng bottle niya, no? It's like a rubber texture on the outside of the bottle. At palagay ko, it is a glass with coat of the rubber, no? And then on the inside, napakaganda ng takip ng perfume na to, no? It's very genuine, it's very elegant, no? It's made of steel, no? At talagang mabigat siya. So, ay spray lang natin. So yun guys, napakabango niya, no? It's like a beautiful type of caramel and milk, no? At talagang yung vanilla niya ay nandoon. At talagang yung hindi ko alam yung masasabi ko dito sa perfume na to, yung pagka-fresh, milk at caramel type of scent niya ay nandito lahat kay Caramel Cascade from the Paris Corner. So yun guys, no? Imamacerate ko pa to at napakabango talaga niya, no? Even though kararating lang nito, parang hindi ko na kailangan na i-rest pa to or ipahinga pa ng 24 to 48 hours. For me, it's enough, no? To use this vanillic type of scent. So thank you so much for those people na nanood or nagstay dito sa ating video.